Have you ever worn something in winter that left you freezing, or worse, looking less than your best? I know I have. Today, I'm revealing the 5 biggest winter wardrobe mistakes most women unknowingly make. Wait until the end, because the last one might surprise you. It's something most people swear by. Stay tuned to see how I've replaced these items with stylish and practical alternatives that make all the difference. Let's start with thin gloves and socks, 2 of the most overlooked winter essentials that can make or break your comfort. I remember the days when I'd grab a cute pair of gloves from the store or stick with my regular thin socks during winter. They seemed fine at first, but within minutes of stepping outside, my fingers and toes would feel like icicles. Thin gloves and socks just don't cut it when the temperatures drop. They lack insulation and let in cold air. Worse, they can lead to frostbite in extreme cases. And trust me, nobody looks or feels great when they're constantly shivering. The key issue with thin gloves and socks is often the material. Cotton gloves and socks might seem cozy, but cotton holds on to moisture. If your hands or feet sweat even slightly, the dampness makes you feel colder. That's when I decided to upgrade my winter wardrobe with pieces made of wool or fleece. Wool not only keeps your hands and feet warm, but also wicks away moisture, so you stay dry and comfortable all day. If you haven't tried fleece-lined gloves or socks yet, you're seriously missing out. Here's what to look for when upgrading your gloves and socks. For gloves, make sure they're windproof and have touchscreen compatibility. Let's be real, we're always on our phones, even in the cold. For socks, prioritize a good fit. Loose socks won't keep your feet warm because of air gaps, and don't forget to layer if needed. I sometimes wear a thin, moisture-wicking liner sock under my thermal socks for added warmth during really cold days. It's little tips like these that make winter dressing so much easier. Investing in quality gloves and socks might feel unnecessary, but it's one of the smartest choices you can make for winter. Trust me, I've been there, freezing my fingers and toes off because I tried to save a few bucks. Now, I always remind myself that warm hands and feet mean a happier winter experience. Plus, these pieces last for years when you choose good materials and brands. So, if you're still using those thin gloves or socks, it's time to upgrade. Check the description box for my recommendations. You'll thank yourself when the first cold snap hits. Let's move on to footwear. Non-waterproof shoes in winter are a disaster waiting to happen. I learned this the hard way during a snowy day when I thought my suede boots would hold up. Big mistake. By the end of the day, my feet were freezing, wet, and completely miserable. Plus, the boots were ruined. It was one of those moments where I realized I needed to prioritize function over fashion, or find a way to balance both. The reality is, winter weather demands shoes that can handle snow, slush, and rain. Suede, while gorgeous, isn't cut out for this. And don't even get me started on sneakers. They provide no warmth and no protection. The good news? There are so many stylish waterproof boots available now that you don't have to sacrifice aesthetics for practicality. My go-to boots are waterproof leather with a cozy lining and solid traction. They've saved me countless times from slipping on icy sidewalks or feeling wet all day. For added warmth, I also recommend thermal insoles. They're easy to insert into almost any boot and make a huge difference, especially if you live in a colder climate. If you've been wearing the wrong shoes for winter, it's time to upgrade. Check the links below for boots that will keep you warm and stylish all season. And tell me in the comments, have you ever worn the wrong shoes in winter and instantly regretted it? Let's share our funniest or most frustrating winter shoe stories. Now, let's talk about bulky scarves. They're an essential winter accessory, but not all scarves are created equal. I used to love oversized scarves. You know, the ones that feel like a giant blanket wrapped around your neck. They seemed so cozy and chic in theory, but in reality, they were a nightmare to manage. They overwhelmed my outfit, wouldn't stay in place, and even dipped into my coffee once. Not a great look. Instead, I've switched to slimmer, tailored wool scarves. They add the perfect touch of warmth without overwhelming the rest of your outfit. Plus, they're so much easier to style. You can neatly tuck them into your coat or let them drape effortlessly for a sleek, balanced look. Another tip? Choose scarves in versatile colors like camel, black, or gray. These shades go with almost any winter coat, making them a practical addition to your wardrobe. A good scarf isn't just functional, it can elevate your entire look. If bulky scarves are also frustrating you, give the slimmer ones a try. It's an investment that is worth every penny. Sheer tights might look elegant, but they're not your friend in winter. I can't tell you how many times I've worn them to winter parties, only to regret it the moment I stepped outside. They do absolutely nothing to keep you warm, and they're so delicate that one snag can ruin your entire look. These days, I opt for thermal tights or fleece-lined leggings instead. They're just as sleek but offer much-needed warmth. Pair them with a dress or skirt and boots, and you're ready for any winter occasion without sacrificing comfort. Trust me, it's a game changer. A quick tip: look for tights with a high denier count, which means they're thicker and more durable. I've linked a few options below that I swear by. Once you try them, you'll never go back to sheer tights in the colder months. Have you made the switch yet? If not, it's time to upgrade your winter legwear. Check out the links below. I promise, these tights are worth it. Now here's a winter mistake most people swear by: light or non-insulating fabrics. Cotton might be your best friend in summer, but it's your worst enemy in winter. Why? Cotton is breathable, but terrible at retaining heat. As a result, you might feel fine indoors, but step outside, and the cold seems to cut right through you. And if you sweat even a little, cotton traps moisture, leaving you damp and even colder. I used to think layering cotton sweaters was enough, but I learned the hard way after spending an entire afternoon shivering at an outdoor market. The solution? Opt for fabrics like merino wool, cashmere, or fleece. These materials naturally trap heat while wicking away moisture, keeping you warm and dry. I've found merino wool base layers to be a lifesaver. They're lightweight, yet incredibly effective. Plus, they don't add bulk to your outfit. Another trick I've picked up is layering strategically. Start with a thermal or merino wool base, then add a middle layer like a cashmere sweater, and finish with a weather-appropriate coat. This combination has kept me warm even during snowy vacations. And yes, these pieces can be stylish too. So, if you're still wearing cotton as your go-to winter layer, it's time to rethink that choice. Trust me, your body will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely love this next one, where I expose some expensive fashion items that can actually make you look poor. It's eye-opening, and I'll share what to avoid and what to wear instead.